If your ElevenLabs voice is pausing in places you did not want, or if you want to control pauses more precisely, this video will show you all the main methods. These are the ways to control pauses effectively, and once you understand them, you can make your voiceovers sound much more natural and intentional. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. First, the most reliable method for precise pause control is using the XML break syntax. The AI native engine processes this tag natively, so instead of creating empty silence, it helps build a natural breath or transition in the audio. To use it, simply add directly inside your script text box wherever you want a pause. There are a few important rules to follow here. Keep the pause value between 0.1 seconds and 3.0 seconds. Also, if you are using decimals, always include the leading zero. So you should type 0.5s, not 0.5s, because 0.5s can fail. That small detail matters a lot if you want the pause to work correctly every time. You can also create pauses with hyphens and dashes. Using an EM dash or even a regular hyphen between words can influence the pacing of the speech. If you stack multiple dashes like dash dash or EM dash, it can lengthen the delay even more. This can be useful when you want the voice to slow down naturally without using XML tags. Now, one thing to be careful about is overusing break tags in a single generation window. If you add too many, the engine can glitch, speed up, or even create audio artifacts, so use them intentionally and only where they actually improve the delivery. A few well-placed pauses are usually better than trying to force pauses everywhere. If you are using the newer 11v3 models, there is an even simpler option. These models support a text-based pause syntax instead of XML code. In that case, you can type pause directly into your prompt wherever you need a conversational break. This is great when you want an easy and readable way to control timing inside your script. And if you are accidentally getting pauses because of special characters, that is another thing to watch out for. Characters like brackets, symbols, or other unusual punctuation can sometimes trigger unwanted pauses. To reduce that risk, use clean text without unnecessary special characters, and if you are on a V2 model, consider increasing the speed slightly to help smooth out the delivery. So to quickly recap, for the most precise control, use dashes if you want a simple pacing trick. Use pause with 11v3 models and keep your text clean if you want to avoid accidental pauses. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.